Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can go and create sales funnel on Systeme.io. For that we'll just go here, and if you guys don't have a Systeme.io account, I will provide a link in description. Go and sign up from there and get your free account. And once you're on the main dashboard, go and click on sales funnel. Now here, go and click on create and type in your name, funnel domain, and your goal, and click on save. Once you have done that, after you're done that, go and click on here, and here what you guys need to do is to select your required template and edit it. After you're done that, it consists of only two pages, that is your squeeze page and opt-in page. You guys can go and select your desired template. After you're done that, the next step is setting your automation rules. For that, select the first template here and go to automation rules and click on add rule. Now to add rules, we'll just go here, and here's like, for example, send email. Now the main purpose of this funnel would be your building your email list, and where you can go and create your email message, your subject, your preview, body of email. Here you can drop your affiliate IDs, affiliate dashboard, and lots of other information you would like to put in your email message. And that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.